Now it's time to match all your pieces together. Match the two bodies, the two pairs of ears, the two head sides, and then when it comes to the arms and the legs, make sure that only one of them has the joint marking on it. You want to make sure you put them right sides together so the fur side's facing together. Again, with the legs, make sure only one of them has the joint marking on it. Now it's time to pin them together. You can use straight pins, or you can use what I like to use are alligator clips. If you go to the website in the tools and supplies page, you'll find where I find my alligator clips. Now, as you're pinning or clipping them together, you want to slide your finger like that so that the fur goes all to the inside. You want to try to get the least amount of fur trapped in the seam as possible. It's pretty easy to do with this sparse fabric. You can see why with thicker fabric that you'll want to trim your seam allowance. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and pin the rest of your pieces together.